How we all doing, guys? I have a load of old TV shows that we used to do on Irish TV saved on my Skybox that I'm about to lose because I'm upgrading the Sky. So the only way I can keep them is to record them from the TV and put them straight up onto YouTube. The quality is crap. The sound is crap. The lighting is crap. I talk in the third person all the time. But I tell you what, if you just keep an eye on what I'm actually doing, they're still amazing recipes and you'll learn a lot on how to cook. So sit back, relax and enjoy, because they're going to be gone and gone forever, because unfortunately the channel went, well, basically tits up. So here we are, guys. Couple of different recipes. Just give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. Hey, I'm getting old. I could do with the help. Hope you enjoy it. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Guys, I told you the theme of this show is it cannot be that easy, but yes it is, because Trevo's here showing you exactly what to do. Now listen to me, guys. Ice cream. We don't need an ice cream machine. Do you know why? Because incredibly, we made ice cream before we made ice cream machines. Some guy didn't come out of some office and turn around and say, I've made an ice cream machine. Do you know what we could do with that? We could make ice cream. We had it done beforehand. It's so simple. Remember quantities, because Trevo likes to keep things so simple for you. 500 mils of ordinary pouring cream. 500 grams of strawberries. I like blueberries, Trevo. I love raspberries. I love mango. No problems. Whatever fruit you want, but we're going to use strawberries for today. And we've also got small tin of condensed milk. Simple. They do it in grams for some reason. It's about 397 to be precise. It's a small tin of condensed milk. We don't need to put sugar in because condensed milk is lovely and sweet. So what do we got to do? We're going to whip the cream to not quite fluffy and very peaky, but it's going to be halfway through. We're going to scrunch up our strawberries, mix them all in with the condensed milk, and freeze. Did you freeze? That's all we gotta do. And that's ice cream. So let's get going. Simple. Everybody has one of these at home, and it's one of the few gadgets that I recommend you do buy. Smoothies, mixing, everything, brilliant. So what we do is, be careful now, get a tea towel, and you know what, guys? Get the kids involved again. It's all about that with Trevo. Get the kids involved. Put in your whisk, put your cloth over so the cream doesn't go all over your face, or more importantly, all over the house, and just whisk. We're going to whisk for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to check it. Now, guys, that's exactly what we are looking for. What have we done so far? We've whipped cream. Let's get a spoon and show you exactly what we're looking for. Okay, see the way it's still kind of dropping? Perfect, but still quite whipped. And that's the consistency that we want. Simple. Now, let's go on to our strawberries. And don't forget, guys, I said we can use any fruit you want. Ask the kids, what ice cream would you like today? Mom, it's going to take forever to do. We're now seeing it's not. So take off the stalks of the strawberry. Very simple. Just like that. Some people actually eat the stalks of strawberries. Perfect. And we're going to put it into the container that we're actually going to freeze everything in. So just pour them all in. I'm getting excited, because Trevo always gets excited when things are so easy. And you're sitting there going, do you know what? He said it can't be that easy, and he's not far wrong. So just squish it. And how do you get kids cooking, right? How do you get them interested in food? How do you get them running to the kitchen to say, what are we cooking today, Mom? What are we cooking today, Dad? Tell them to put their hands in there and squish it like that. Make it fun, like the French. The French are deadly. They'd be hopping into the old grapevine, making their wine. That's why they love their wine, because it's fun. So get the kids in here, squishing the fruit. Oh, yeah. And we're having a laugh. Absolutely. Simple, 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 simple. And you know exactly what's going into the food, and that's what Trevo loves. That's all I want. Watch this. Our condensed milk. Straight in. Simple. Our cream, just put it straight in. Straight in. Don't forget, 500 mils of cream, guys. 500 grams of whatever fruit you want. You can even use bananas. Wouldn't look too good, but it would taste pretty cool. Here is the most difficult part, and this is where you really got to concentrate, because trust me, this is hard. Stir. Okay? Take your time. Okay? It is hard. Stir. One more thing. Cling film, or a lid, or whatever it is you want, cover it, and put it into your freezer, or as Trevo has his magic freezer. And here it is. Now, before you serve this, guys, right, take it out about 10 minutes. That's all you need to do. Now watch carefully, right? Scoop it in, scoop it in, scoop it in. Trevo, I don't have a scoop. Neither do I. I have a spoon and I have a brain. Look at that. How does that song go? Scoop, lots of busy, and coconut stew. That's made up. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go. Let's give it a little garnish. Who cares if they fall? Actually, do you know what? That's even more part of the fun. Let's put more strawberries in there. Let's just slice it in. That's the beauty of food. You make up your mind as you go along. Do you know what? I think this would look better. And you're right. To finish it off, a little sprinkle of icing sugar. But let's remember what the theme of the show is. It can't be that easy, and yes it is. Because you know what? Trevo's in the house, and you've been following my every move. I want you to do this at home. I want you to get the kids involved. I want you to get onto our Facebook or on our Twitter at Irish TV and tell us that I made your ice cream and it worked. And if you think that's good, guys, it's only the start of it. Because wait till you see what's coming up next week's episode. God, it's gonna be amazing. Cooking with Trevo. See you next week.